Hi, I'm Rixon. I've studied product design engineering, and my major project was a collaborative with NACO Materials Handling Group. The initial brief was to look at the design of forklift truck control systems and try and work on making them more intuitive, with the intention of making them more suitable for haptics, which would in turn reduce the number of accidents and mistakes involved with forklift driving. There are a fair few. Looking at existing control systems, I noticed that they tended to have little or no distinction between activators. The controls associated with moving the forks and masts were usually a group of levers or buttons, which often looked the same, often moved the same, and didn't always reflect on how the truck was going to move. So based on seeing a few studies based on haptic controls for excavation or construction vehicles, I found that the most intuitive way of designing control was so that the user moves the control as the manipulator is going to move. And that's the clearest assignment that it's generally accepted to be the clearest assignment you can give. So I developed a small prototype to demonstrate the new assignment of controls and their geometry and the mechanisms involved, and had the prototype run a simulation for demonstration purposes, and tested this against another small control rig based on existing forklift truck control designs. And the results of testing was that my design was found to be the more intuitive and the most readily adapted to. As a result, NACO have expressed some interest in developing it further. There's a lot still to be done before it's ready to be mounted in a truck, and even more so to make sure the haptics and user interface work as intended. But it's a good basis for further study.